Can I transfer money from Monzo to another bank? Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be answering the question, can I transfer money from Monzo to another bank? This is a question that I get asked a lot, so I thought it would be a good idea to do a video on it. The answer is yes, you can transfer money from Monzo to another bank. There are a few different ways to do this. Method 1, use the Monzo app. The easiest way to transfer money from Monzo to another bank is to use the Monzo app. Here's how to do it. Open the Monzo app. Tap on the Send tab. Select the bank account that you want to transfer money to. Enter the amount that you want to transfer. Tap on the Send button. The money will be transferred to your other bank account immediately. Method 2, use the Monzo website. You can also transfer money from Monzo to another bank using the Monzo website. Here's how to do it. Go to the Monzo website. Log into your account. Click on the Send tab. Select the bank account that you want to transfer money to. Enter the amount that you want to transfer. Click on the Send button. The money will be transferred to your other bank account immediately. Method 3, use a bank transfer. You can also transfer money from Monzo to another bank using a bank transfer. Here's how to do it. Get the bank details of the account that you want to transfer money to. Log into your online banking account for your other bank. Make a bank transfer to the Monzo account using the bank details that you got in step 1. The money will be transferred to your Monzo account within a few days. Additional tips. You can transfer up to £25,000 per day from Monzo to another bank. There is no fee for transferring money from Monzo to another bank. If you are transferring money to a foreign bank account, you will need to pay a small fee. You can also use Monzo to send money to friends and family using their phone number or email address. I hope this video has helped you answer the question, can I transfer money from Monzo to another bank? If you have any other questions, please leave a comment below. Thanks for watching. End of script. I hope this is helpful. Let me know if you have any other questions.